Good job.
I get your toes. I get your toes. I get your toes. Oh, you get it? You got it? You got it? Good job. Good boy. You got it. You got it. All right.
Throw me the ball. Throw me the ball.
All right. Nice boy. Nice boy. Good job. Good job. Oh, I got it. Oh, thank you. Woo-hoo. Where'd it go? You're so long. I go get you. I go get you. I get you. I get you. I get you.
Oh, you okay?
I was literally doing this to my niece on Christmas and ended up in the hospital again.
Oh, okay.
This is fun until
It's all fun games till somebody gets hurt.
you got me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I get you. I got it. So what he did is he did the I don't want to play like that. Came at me and then backed away. Him when he jumped over my head and I was like, hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me being submissive. So I was like, I'm screwed if he bites me. But that was him showing that's not appropriate. We can play with the ball.
Okay.
Mhm.
And then he showed he did that and then went to the ball.
Okay.
That's communication.
Okay.
Good boy. Thank you, Rigby. I mean, it's nothing like a human playing like playbound like a dog, but
Yeah.
thank you, Rigby. But also, let me see this. Thank you, Rigby. Last one. Is it white all over the ball?
Oh, yeah.
All that white foam?
Yeah.
Yep.
He's going to fight it, but he needs to get water. Last one. Plus, he likes to run it out, too.
Yeah. That ball's just gonna be nasty, buddy.
Good boy. Okay, cuddle. You want to cuddle? Come here. We're done.
He actually wants to keep playing ball.
You want more? Okay. That's really funny. They're inviting me how to different ways to play.
Yeah.
When they're happy, they're more than likely to show you different ways of how to play, how to actually communicate things they like and don't like.
Mhm.
Because they don't want to be mad while they're playing,
Yeah.
but they can show frustration while they're playing and say it's not acceptable. But they will redirect and do something else. Good boy. Let's cuddle. Thank you. Cuddle. Shake. Thank you. All right. So now we got the play out of the way. A little bit of stress relief too. Good boy. All right. Let's go get water. Redirect. Settle down.